Have you ever heard someone discuss soil testing in relation to fertilizer application in crops? And do you have an understanding of the process? Here is a straightforward, step-by-step guide on how to collect soil samples and achieve optimum results from 𝘀𝘀𝗶𝗹. Please share this crucial information. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page. Sure, here's a clear step-by-step guide on the process of collecting soil for sampling, including do's and don'ts to ensure the sample is accurate and representative for laboratory analysis. 1. Planning the soil sampling. Do identify the purpose of the test, e.g. fertility, contamination. Divide the land into uniform sections based on land use, crop type, slope, drainage, and soil texture. Mark sampling spots on a map for traceability. Mix areas with different histories or uses into one sample, e.g. fertilized vs. unfertilized. Sample immediately after fertilizer application. 2. Collecting the soil sample. Tools needed: soil auger or probe, or clean spad trowel, clean plastic bucket, labeled sample bags, plastic or paper, X device or notebook for recording locations. Procedure: 1. Remove surface debris, leaves, plant residue. 2. Dig a V-shaped hole to the desired depth, commonly 0.15 for agricultural soils. 3. Take a thin slice from the side of the hole. 4. Repeat this process from 15 random spots within the same sampling area. 5. Place all collected subsamples into the bucket. 2. Mix the subsamples thoroughly in the bucket to create a composite sample. Use clean tools and containers to avoid contamination. Label the sample bag clearly with location, depth, date, and sample it. Don't use metal containers that can react with soil, e.g. rusty tools. Contaminate the sample with fuel, oil, or chemicals. Sample near trees, manure heaps, compost, or recently fertilized areas unless that's the goal. 3. Preparing the sample for the lab. 1. After mixing, take about 500 grams to 1 kilogram of the composite soil. 2. Air dry the soil in the shade if instructed by the lab. Optional. 3. Remove stones, plant roots, and foreign materials. 4. Pack the sample in a labeled, clean bag. 5. Fill out any submission forms required by the laboratory. Do store the sample in a cool, dry place before transport. Ensure proper labeling to avoid mix-ups. Don't use wet soil unless directed by the lab, can lead to mold and decay. Delay sending the sample for too long if it's not air-dried. Final notes. The goal is to collect a representative sample of the field area. Follow the specific requirements of the lab, e.g. depth drying. Keep records of sampling locations and conditions for future reference. Follow 𝘀𝘀𝗶𝗹 and 𝘀𝘀𝗶𝗹𝗲𝗀𝗃𝗃. Thank you.